Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nayri, also known as Wedding Fashion Expert. This week we are styling a bridal scarf. We're going to style the same scarf with different dress silhouettes and designs. Before we dive into this week's topic, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment below, let me know if there's a particular video topic you'd like me to create a video on. I am here for you, guiding you along the way leading up to your special day. For those of you that are new here, welcome. I'm so honored that you found me. I am, of course, a wedding fashion expert, stylist, buyer, and wear so many different hats here at LOVELLA Bridal, located in Los Angeles, California. For daily content, be sure to follow us on Instagram at LOVELLA Bridal, at LOVELLA Plus, and at Wedding Fashion Expert. Don't forget to hit the follow button on TikTok at LOVELLA Bridal and at Wedding Fashion Expert as well. Next week, I'm talking about a subscriber topic on how to style a bridal scarf with a veil. This week, we are doing this Lea de Gloria dress. This dress was designed with this scarf in mind, and I am going to style the same exact scarf with other Lea de Gloria dresses with different shapes, different designs, so you can see what one bridal scarf looks like with a bunch of different dresses. So this is the scarf, and the way that I put it on, I split it in half, and I literally just throw it on over my neck, and it just cascades in the back. And that is exactly how you put on a bridal scarf. What do you all think? Such a timeless, classic, fun look. It's really a beautiful accessory, and just, it's gorgeous with the streamers and everything. So let's go put on the next dress so that you can see what this looks like with another style. Here is our second dress that we're going to style with the scarf. And this is exactly what we do at LOVELLA. When you come in and try on dresses, if you ask for a scarf, the scarf is usually in a material like this, and we pair it with any dress. So just because this scarf was designed with the previous dress doesn't mean you can mix and match. Fashion is art, and this is one of those things that you get to play with, and you can style your wedding dress any way you want. Whatever feels authentic, beautiful, makes you feel confident, that's what you get to do. So here's this dress, a ball gown that is fun and playful. It has this beautiful texture of pearl detail. It also has some lace, so the lace is underneath the pearl detail. It has tulle, it has a beautiful taffeta, and then we're mixing in the chiffon. So we are mixing all these different textures, and it's just so fun and so beautiful. What do you all think? Do you think that the scarf goes with this dress as beautifully as it did with the last one? Let's move on to another dress to show you. Next up, we have a fully beaded dress, just to give you the different textures and things to consider. This is laser cut organza that creates a floral pattern. So the texture of this dress goes really beautifully with the scarf, but it also depends on your veil, your headpiece, your jewelry, and how you style it. If you think it would be too much with the scarf or just enough, which is what we talk about in next week's video. Up next, the last dress for this video, dress number 4. It's a fully beaded dress. Let's do it. Dress number 4, I wanted to give you a different neckline. We have straps on this dress, fully embellished. This is embellished on top of a tulle, so it would go really beautifully with the scarf material. I'm so curious to hear in the comments what everyone thinks of the scarf with the different style dresses. It's been so much fun trying these on for you, showing you the different options and things to consider when it comes to styling your wedding look with a bridal scarf. I hope that you found this video helpful. For more videos and tips like these, be sure to tune in every Wednesday, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I will see you in next week's video.